So whenever one enjoying their nights, you need to know that IT students are not sleeping, so they are practicing a coding. This is a coding. So let me run it as a live server so we can see the result here. Here is the result. It is NAS Academic that I'm trying to build. This is a website. So here I do a for university. We have the Fanga University of Law and Bantu University of Business and National University of Technology, Bantu Akoba West University of Military. So here we have integrated community like Benefa, which is N4 BNFA, which is Bantu Nasser Fangag and Akoba. So here, when you open Pangag University of Law, there is two branch here, which are the two county in Fangag, which is the Fangag and Ayod. So here in the Fangag main campus, we have a course, like 10 course. There is a anti-corruption law and legislative drafting and human rights law and electoral law. So even many more here. There are 10 courses in a Fangag main campus. So here in Hayod, it concerned with commercial. It is a corporate transaction and business contract and arbitration and banking law. Here are the 10 courses in IOT. So when we get back to Bantu University, there is 7 campus. Here is a layer, number 1. Layer has a 10 courses. It starts with financial risk analysis and corporate valuation and so many more here. It is amazing. So when we come back here to Panager, it concerns with HR, which is the human resource. It starts with HR analysis and leadership coaching and conflict resolution. So here, when we come back here to Roop Corney, it is very amazing. There is a 10 course here. So you can see them here. When we come back to Mayom, it is economic. It concerned with economic. It starts with policies impact and economic forecasting and infrastructure icon, and so many more here. So here is a GWIT or GWIT. It is concerned with MNE. It is MNE compass. It start with impact measurement and GIS development and quantitative analysis and so many more here. So when we come back here to my ended, it concerned with trade. It is start with supply chain analysis and procurement strategy or procurement strategy. So when we come back here to coach, it is innovation. It starts with tech entrepreneurship and venture building and learn startup and so many more. So here, when we come back to the main, we have Nasser University of Technology. So here there is a Nasser main campus. This defend with the software. So here we learn. There is a machine learning here and full stack development and cloud computing and AI architecture and data engineering. So when we come back here to Lang, it is concerned with cyber. It starts with collecting network defenses and incident response and cytography and so many more. When we come here to Mywood, it concerns with power. It starts with renewable energy and electrical grid and solar technology and smart grid and distribution and so many more here. So when we come back here to Langushuk, it defines with a robotic. It starts with robotic programming and mechatronic and automation and smart machine and so many more here. So when we come back to the main again, we live with Akoba West. It is a University of Military. So if you want to be a soldier, you can pursue your education here in Akoba main campus. It starts with strategic leadership and intelligence and tactical OFI and cyber welfare. So when you need to be a health student, so you can come here from neural. So it depends with the public health, there's disease surveillance and epidemiology and global health and heartbreak investigation and so many more here concerning about public health. So when we come back here to rural, it is clinical compass. So we have a emergency care and a clinical diagnosis and pharmacology and surgical procedure and so many more here. This is how our four main university work. And get to know that we live with uploading the course. So when we done to upload the course into our website, so our website will be live on Google, so everyone will get it and select wherever they want to study, whether it is University of Pangak or Bento University or Nasser or Akoba, so you can get it there. And I will give you the hell and when it is done. So thank you.